Assam University Difu campus phan full-fledged Central University ke pamanchia phan kaching waidun. Bamboo Supply Union atum Balijan KSA ro phan pin pralo ke paju. Balijan gate inkirnangji. Dokmoka Town Committee kilika phan BJP ST Morcha atum kachisi. Kardom News Time Malang Penili, Willarbon Krupi, Non Biotang Tonpen, Arjuikta, Assam University Guest House along Pai Nipa Inkora Ketom Arni, MHRD Minister Prakash Javadekar a key person, Nangchitoi Dunsi, Assam University along seminar upon Kevang Hood, Assam University Difu campus upon full-fledged Central University Pinchonang Papukachinki Alang litum pen kachinki duna hut ke claim pidun chia phan lam thiche paklang la pen nona mat lu ki pija phanta pachini unport minister pen ke pachetong chia phanta nang pachini du thu MHRD la pen UGC phan kachetong nang jalam ta nang pachini dun lo alang li pen UGC chairman phanta pupo pusi lap the nang chachang lo labang so kachetong duna hut ke AEC EM Higher Education Jikotsing Ingti AUDC member mate Thekar Chabang Long Sing Teron SP KL Chunbang Johnny Timo Pro Vice Chancellor AUDC Professor Sivashish Biswas Dr. Anup Delapen CEM Tuliram Longhangta Chetong Dun Bamboo Supply Union atum Balijan KSA ro phan pinpura lopa jersey Prabjin pen Balijan gate Inkirnangji pu arni kehot
Bokajan subdivision ki parlo Balijan along gate ki bi ajok Dimapur ana check inhin ki jordamji aphan Tikuk tang lopusi Bamboo Supply Union atum Balijan KSA ro phan than bachini Ramsola Singh pen Balijan along gate ki bi ajok check inhin chojor cholang atum alang li phan check ke pon anam pharo isi pen pharo atangka an pinang puta alam clan pini pinap angbong Balijan gate pripridak nang puputa Bamboo Supply Union atum Balijan KSA ro kacharia tumapan chunuri
Namalam sopor phan bir tamu interbonik sina Please tap in Ishan Motors, a showroom cum sales point of Royal Enfield opposite of Langpi Dahangi Rural Bank, Dilaji branch, Rongkhelan, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam. For more details, please contact 97748 73915, 7896 169021 or 957 988 008. Claret Beauty Parlor. Folong Kichengsi so pinso la pen swarlo phan ki pamaradim. Prabjin pen ingpupon kangpupon jilake pai chikluni pai ingora nerve cap army. Ladak nang litum long ikji lake facial, hair spa, hair straightening, hair cutting, shaving, hair curly, tattoo, body spa, pedicure, lapet, medicare, hayu henlo. Claret Beauty Parlor, Difu Main Market Road, Bharati Lodge near Iron Bridge. Come one, come all. Grand opening of Bazaar, India. A shopping mall consisting of various quality of genswear, ladieswear, kidswear, and tremendous quality of household items, accessories, etc. Market, Old LIC Building, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Looking for your needs? Visit Bazaar India. Atorkimi Outlet brings you an amazing items for your kitchen and dining like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, etc. Along with makeup, cosmetics, and grocery items are also available according to your needs. Atorkimi Outlet opposite Langpidahangi Rural Bank, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, Thelua Kreng, Chitronola, Ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dinamo people tadbir talong bangthulo. India Prime Minister Badim Bharat Ratna Atal Bihari Vajpayee aser pai inkora kethom arni Brahmaputra alang royalongta losi Prime Minister Badim Atal Bihari Vajpayee pen chipadi ponthu. Assam alongta India Prime Minister Badim Bharat Ratna Atal Bihari Vajpayee aser pai inkora kethom arni Guwahati arai Brahmaputra along losi Kalita Prime Minister Badim pen chipadi pado pontanglo. BJP Asongjapo Vajpayee aser kilwalong Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal BJP Amaipu Ranjit Das Penangan Minister Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Rong Hanglapa EM atuk chetong dum. Dokmoka Town Committee kilik mati election arni kate boklang dampen pai inkora ketham arni Dokmoka BJP asa hewalong kilik amai padopusi ladak birta nang pali.
Dokmoka Town Mondol ST Morcha Amaipu Salongki Tiso Chephampu Ben Kangni Kilik Aphan Kachitik Amayalong BJP ST Morcha Amaipu Rupmo Tokpi Lapan Mahamaya Constituency VDC Amaipu Longsing Tokpi Lapan Arisang Ho Atum Chetongdun Samilang So Block Mondol ST Morcha Atum Takilik Kachingbai Along RDP Dun Birta Bangelap Maskang Ton Paniglo Dumi Thakmi Kurang Tu